Hello, Amor.
Alright.
How are you today?
Good.
This is a special day.
Yeah. Yeah. Comment on dit en anglais l'Aïd? It's la fiesta. Comment on dit en anglais quoi? L'Aïd. It's Aïd. Je sais pas. Pas dit. Demande à papa.
L'Aïd.
Faut mettre là-dedans? L'Aïd.
L'Aïd, ouais.
Voilà.
Les Anglais, ils prononcent bien. Hein.
L'Aïd. It's Aïd.
Oui.
Toujours chez maman. Quoi qu'il arrive, où que ce soit, s'il n'y a pas de savon. Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
Non, you dreamt about this.
How wait? Why I wait my whole life for that.
You wait your whole life.
Yeah. I can start right now. Can eat.
Now wait for me.
Oh.
For me, I have French toast with a few strawberries.
Wait.
I have an avocado toast with eggs,
Wait.
mushrooms, salmon. And what do you have?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken, ketchup, and comment on dit mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. I think.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. So,
No, eat the
Aïd Mabrouk, la famille.
Eat the chicken.
Leave his chicken alone.
C'est le deuxième que je prends. Deuxième morceau.
Oh là là. It's your thing because you waited for this all your whole life.
T'avais pas dit oui pour le premier morceau?
No, I can eat.
Yes, you can.
Yes.
Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
Bon appétit, Mr. Magic.
Bon appetit.
Thank you. Oh là là.
First coffee in the morning.
Yeah.
Wow,
it's been a
fantastic.
while. And first latte in the morning. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
You are. How is it, Zach?
Very good.
Very good, huh?
Very good.
No, it's
Zach,
hot. Yeah.
why do you have your hand on your daddy's arm?
Because his arm is hot.
Because his arm is hot.
Yeah.
Zachariah always need to have a contact with his dad.
No,
You always
Just
need to have a
hot.
contact with
no,
your dad.
it's
Always.
just hot.
It's just hot.
Ah, je suis trop
always,
pressée de me
always,
balader,
always,
là.
always.
Je suis trop pressée de sortir.
But you have an appointment first.
Hein?
You have an appointment first. An appointment. You don't know what it is. Un rendezvous.
Maman,
Chez le
t'as
dentiste.
touché son bras. Oui, c'est à 11h.
Yes, they have an
T'as qu'à
appointment
toucher
too.
son bras.
D'ailleurs,
pour
c'est
avoir
comment
la
là-dessus?
Let me touch it. Is it hot?
C'est mieux?
Yes, it is. Yes.
Ouais. Elle est vraiment.
Tu avais raison.
Yeah.
Tu avais
quand même,
raison.
mais
Tu avais raison.
You were right.
Allez, 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 allez. Oui, 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 oui. C'est la meilleure chanson du monde. C'est la meilleure chanson du monde. Oui, 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 c'est la chanson du monde. Sauf ceux qui m'aiment pas.
Sauf ceux qui
Dans
m'aiment.
le monde.
Oh yeah.
So, the end.
Yeah.
Elle n'a pas tourné là.
You're protecting your eyes.
Comme ça, j'ai pas besoin de fermer mes yeux, c'est cool.
Vas-y, dis-le en anglais, essaye.
Because mes yeux, I not close my eyes.
I'm not close my eyes.
With
You're broken English. Ouais, c'est bon. Hein.
Cute little boy.
Mais je suis tout nu.
Mais on voit que ta tête.
Ah, ok.
Hey guys, the kids are at their appointment, dental appointment with Mr. Magic. So I am going to clean the kitchen. Hopefully I will finish before they come back. It's a mess, you can see. And it's often the case after a good brunch. And honestly, my kitchen is so small. So yes, it's always a mess. We were planning to go out and eat outside, but it's raining, so since we're not yet allowed to eat inside the restaurants, I think the restriction will be eased next week, but it's not the case for the moment. So we have to eat on the street, but it's raining, so we have to find another thing to do. Maybe we will stay at home and just have a cozy day with the...
Very
Hey,
good.
how was
Yeah.
how was the dentist? You cannot stop dancing. Always dancing. Crazy. Okay, so how was it?
Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
The dentist was cool.
Yeah.
And how are your teeth? how what did you say?
I don't know.
You don't know.
No.
Hey Amor, how was the dentist?
Good.
What did you say?
He said me and Zachariah are very good.
Very good. We have a surprise for you.
Ça se voit que c'est un truc de vieux.
Oh, we are proud of you.
Just,
You fasted.
it was so hard.
It was hard.
It was so hard.
Yes.
Fasting when you as a kid. So hard.
But we are going to turn off the TV because Zachariah is not listening to us.
Right now.
Zachariah, do you hear me?
Regarde son ventre.
He loves Simpson.
I see.
So I was saying we are so proud of you because you fasted this month. It was not easy at all. You are kids, and you really wanted to fast. So we have presents for you.
Presents.
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 Not a big thing. Just small presents, okay?
Yeah.
But we hope you like it.
He opened it first.
Yeah.
Presents.
Yes.
Wow. Look, more presents in a present.
Oh, Zachariah. Oh, you fantastic. We are proud of you.
We are
love
proud.
you. And Dad.
Mom and Dad.
Look.
Yeah, money.
Yeah.
Yes.
Money.
We have
Now open your
book.
3 books, and it's your first English books.
He's not so happy for this gift.
Are you happy or not?
Yes.
Yes.
He's
you
not
are.
for the books.
Mr. Happy. And
Mr. Small. Oh, this is like, yeah, we know this.
yeah.
And these are brushes because they always take mines. So now I am going to take yours.
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Wow.
Amor, it's your turn.
My turn. So your turn. Okay. Inside. There's like the same thing. There's the same box.
The same boxes.
For Mr. President Amor. Congratulations. Of the où?
On your fast.
Oh, on your fasting. We are proud of you. Eid Mabruk, son. We love you. See, what is it?
You can already see.
Money, I'm rich.
Yeah.
Oh, no, my money.
You crazy.
Ah, smells so good. Now let's open. What will fit it first? What did you open first? Lequel first? This one? He opened this one first, so we open this one first. I don't know what is it. Now you know what is it, but I don't know it. I'm touching a box. I'm touching a box. Oh, it's a book. Agent Jack, the true story of MI5 secret Nazi hunter.
You will love this book. You will love it. I promise you. It's a big book.
It smells. The paper smells good, so I'm sure I'm gonna love it.
Yes, yes. I promise you.
Sounds like we have the same gift.
Okay.
Yeah.
Open it.
Just I have Fidget. Free English book.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds like
It's the same one.
it touched like we have the same thing. I don't know, maybe we have the same thing, maybe not.
Yeah.
They have different colors.
Oh, I really need some black one.
And
I have
now
some.
you are going to leave me alone. Leave my brushes alone, okay? But I'm going to take yours because I love the colors.
And mine.
So we
You
got.
like the colors?
Yeah.
You like the colors?
So I got a book.
Et maman, tu pourras
Some
prendre
cash.
un des deux.
Yeah.
Maman, tu
And
pourras prendre un des deux parce que
some
c'est
brush
presque la
pen.
même.
Ouais, ils se ressemblent. So
Let's go shopping.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
We are happy for you. We're very proud of you. You deserve it. Oh, no.
Love you.
Now let me do my shopping. Pour colorier. Oh my god. Look at the color.
How is it?
Oh, this one's so cool. Look, to draw like, look at this one. You can draw like that. So cool to draw.
Why not draw the notes?
Là, là, Baba, là, j'allais dire tu me les repousses là.
Ouais. C'est pareil, si tu fais ça, j'aurais dit que tu me les rends.
Alhamdoulilah. Aïdik Mabrouk.
On va lancer comme ça, on voit bien.
Mais tu sais, est-ce que tu sais qu'on a eu des cadeaux? Papa et maman, ils nous ont offert des cadeaux parce qu'on a fait le ramadan.
Non, il a dit nous, on leur a fait des cadeaux. Montre si tu veux.
Regarde.
Non,
Et moi j'ai eu un livre.
Bravo, I love it.
J'ai eu un
Bravo,
livre, moi.
Zakaria.
J'ai eu
So
un
beautiful.
livre.
C'est gris aujourd'hui. Il fait très froid. Ah ouais.
Il m'a acheté aussi. Je vois s'il y a ce que je cherche.
ça. Et ça aussi.
What are you looking for, Amor?
Des balles rebondissantes.
Maybe this can be a Strasbourg, no?
Bouncing balls.
Bouncing balls.
Oh oui, je crois qu'il n'y en a pas. Ça, je sais pas.
You like it?
Ah, ça, c'est un truc aussi.
Et ça, des bulles.
Regarde.
Zach,
Enfants,
regarde.
regardez. Si vous mettez ça après, vous nagez, pour pas croire que vous êtes un requin.
Je vais faire peur aux gens.
Regarde, ça s'appelle un infinity cube. C'est bien,
Hey.
comment elle est beau, papa. C'est trop de trucs.
You want this?
Yeah, it's an infinity cube.
Just like the Rubik's one?
Yeah, it's a fidget toy.
Ah, okay.
Ouais, moi je vais commencer ma nouvelle collection.
What you were looking for?
I found it on the floor, so I'm gonna buy it. I'm so happy about it. Okay, look, I buy some fidget toys. I buy a squishy because I really need one. No, sorry, it's a stress ball. We have an infinite cube.
Can I have one?
I'm so happy about it.
You want one? Okay, you can buy because it's your money.
Ils vendent des poppies pour 3 balles, comme le mien que j'ai.
Hey, Amor, where are we going now?
To McDonald's.
Yeah,
Est-ce qu'on paye, maman?
gros chat.
Fais voir. It's a big cat. Yeah. It's a big cat. Not cat. Look at that.
Oh, we're at McDonald's. Look.
Oh, you know, big burger, big burger. You love burger.
No. I'm getting a this.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah. So now it's time to eat. It's very late on the day, but since we had a brunch in the morning, we were not hungry before. And yes, it's McDonald's time. Is it good?
Yes.
Super happy. Mr. Magic has a meeting, so he's not going to eat with us, unfortunately. And I think he's going to have half an hour meeting, so we cannot wait for him, obviously. So, bon appétit dans la famille. My favorite thing.
It's pas croissant.
I don't know if you know this sauce from McDonald's, but I love it. Too good. More.
Yes.
It's unboxing time.
I'm gonna do my unboxing of all I buy. So I buy this.
I bought.
I bought this for £2.
Show me this.
This is like
The stress ball.
yeah, that's like.
I love the
stress ball.
color.
Look,
The color is
that-
amazing.
Can I have yours? Because he buy it and
He
look,
bought
it's like
it
that.
too.
It's so cool.
It's the
It's
same,
like that.
just it's not the same color.
It's not the same color.
So
Yeah.
You
we
chose
have
you
that.
chose the pink
have-
one, and you chose
Yeah.
the orange one.
so I have an infinity cube.
Infinity cube.
Yeah, with a fake simple dimple
Why do you say fake?
because not the real one.
Ah, because Simple Dimple is a brand.
See- What?
Is a brand. C'est la marque.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. This is why you say a
No,
fake one.
the brand is simple.
Okay.
It's, sorry, it's dimple. Genre, ça c'est le modèle simple. Yeah. So, and we have this Rubik's Cube. For £3.
He was looking for a Rubik's Cube for
So this
A long
cost-
time.
Yeah, this cost me £2 with
Yeah.
this £3 with this £2 and this 150.
okay,
So,
great.
If we add everything, it cost $8.50 because
So it's
2 plus
not
2, 4,
expensive at all.
27, $8.50.
Yeah, so you
So-
still have money on your pocket.
Yes, I still have 150, 11.50.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start the unboxing by that.
Yes.
Okay. So this takes simple dimple. I opened it. Oh, I'm so excited! Look, it's so cool to pop it. Look,
Oh yeah.
I like the noise it
this
makes.
is for the school. This is good for the school.
And look.
I can, yeah. But you add it here, like that. But this is good for school. Like
Yeah.
if I want to bring that school, it's gonna be very good. So I take that in. It's like that.
Okay.
And like after we're gonna do that because yeah, it's easier.
I think
to open it.
this is your favorite item.
Yeah, it's
Isn't
one
it?
of my favorite because I really need the stress ball.
You are a little bit stressed at the moment. No?
Yes.
It's my
That's why I need a stress ball.
No.
This is why you
No,
needed a
I-
stress ball.
So this is so cool. We're gonna open this.
No.
We're gonna open this.
Okay. Okay. Open this one after. Open
Yes.
this.
Do you want some help? Because I have nails, if you want. Oh, but you have you have
I
teeth.
have teeth.
Yeah.
Because they have teeth.
So look at this.
He was
this
looking
cube.
for a Rubik's Cube for a long time.
Yes.
Is it good?
And so yes. And it's easy. Look, it's
Yeah.
easy to turn.
Okay, great. And last item, Amor.
The last item is
The infinity cube. I'm very, very curious about this.
Yes, I don't know what is that.
It's an infinity cube. It's like
it's
I know because I see a lot of TikTok and YouTube videos.
Oh, you
about
saw
that.
it on TikTok already? Okay. I
So-
didn't.
Let's open that.
Nobody see that on TikTok.
Yes, I did.
You did? But Zachariah, you don't watch TikTok that much
No.
He don't watch TikTok.
at all.
He don't have any.
You prefer YouTube.
Yeah.
You like YouTube.
Yeah.
How to open it?
Let me help you.
Okay, so my mom helped me. So now the infinity cube. Let me test it.
How does it work? It's so weird. I never seen it before.
It's not an infinity cube.
Oh, what is it?
It's like something you turn. Look.
Yes, and you can make a lot of shapes.
Yes.
Oh, I love it.
Wow. No, it won't.
I love it. Hey!
Attendez.
Okay.
Give me.
No, I want to do it.
You did it.
Yes. Now my turn.
Yeah.
Décale-toi. En fait, c'est là que
Zach, tu te décales pour un mort?
Okay. So now I am ready.
Yes.
Faster.
Incroyable. Et moi, je le fais?
Mais toi, c'est trop facile. T'as juste à sauter, c'est bon.
Toi, tu montes un seul pied, c'est bon.
T'as même pas besoin de prendre de l'élan.
Ouh.
Attends.
Hey, Queen. Hey.
Hey.
So what?
Let me eat.
What do we have tonight?
So what do we have? We have chicken and potatoes for you,
Thank you.
and we have lamb for me and the
Lamb.
kids. Yes. Lamb. Lamb, c'est l'agneau. Since you're not eating lamb,
No.
so I made lamb for me and the kids and chicken for you.
We're killing lamb and they eat it.
I don't know. It's the first time I made it like this, so I don't know how it is. I don't know at all.
Oh, ce morceau il a l'air bien, Léa. pour
It's
moi.
pink in the heart.
Le morceau que tu viens. Oh, moi, je veux cette grosse cuisse là.
Cooked in the oven.
Mais moi aussi,
Yeah,
je l'ai
in the
compris.
oven.
I want the crease.
You want a
Non, mais il faut
piece?
attendre. La cuisse elle est tellement grosse qu'on va, on va partager en deux. Ce morceau il est à moi.
Non.
Ça, coupe pas.
On partage en deux. Si, on partage tout parce que sinon vous allez avoir des morceaux.
Dos.
Non.
It's the first time. I'm not used to. It's
Vas-y,
beautiful.
mets le morceau.
Okay. Taste this and this one for you. Give me your plate, please.
Oui,
Zakaria.
thank you.
Thank you.
Je vais
You're
goûter.
welcome. Hey.
Hi, guys.
It's time to sleep. You woke up very early this morning
Yeah.
and you're not tired?
No.
Because I'm so tired.
T'as vu papa comment c'est? I'm not tired.
Okay, time to sleep. Kiss. Zach, we didn't have the time to style your hair. Zach, listen. Zach, we didn't have the time to style your hair. I wanted to braid your hair.
Okay.
So we are going to do this during the weekend, okay?
Yeah, in the
Yeah.
weekend.
Allez, go to bed.
In the weekend.
Oh my God, you cannot stay. You cannot stay without moving. All right, guys. So I'm super tired, as I told you. I wanted to unbox my new boxes that I got from Amazon. It's it's mostly hair products for my own hair, but I'm too tired to do this now, so I'll do this maybe tomorrow or the day after, and voila. Now I hope you like this video. If it's the case, do not hesitate to like it. Do not forget to like it. I know a lot of people forget it, and I am a part of these people. I always forget to like the video at the end of a video, even if I liked it. So I am here to just remind you to like this video because it's very important. Do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel, and do not hesitate to come back to this channel. Voila, love you all and see you very soon.